Hello, my name is Harley Harrison with LEER. Today we're doing an install on the Latitude. The first step is grab your Latitude and set it towards the bulkhead. Towards the front there's a flap sill, and on the flap sill you want to make sure you pull it out and make sure it's not tucked underneath the unit. Look side to side, make sure you're kind of square. Unstrap and unfold the unit. You're just getting a general idea of the location of the unit. Fold the unit back up. Check one more quick time on your square. Looks good. Then you grab your clamps. You're going to notice that LEER offers multiple slots here. That's because different models and different styles of trucks are a little bit wider in the front frame. On this particular model here, you want to go into the center point. Slide it in, clip it over to the side, and you go ahead and clamp it down. When installing the clamp, you want to make sure that you're not between the bed rail cap and the frame of the truck. Make sure that the clamp is actually setting into the actual frame of the truck when you go to tighten it down. Your secondary clamp, we're going to untighten it. I'm going to give you one off to the side here to give you a little bit more of a demonstration. Open your clamp up. At the same time, make sure that you're actually on the truck and not between the bed rail cap when you tighten it down. On this particular make and model, we're going to use the center slot. Slide the clamp back, making sure that it's not between the bed rail cap, but actually behind the actual frame of the truck. Tighten the unit down, making sure that you're not over tightening it, but make sure it's secured. Take your second tether clamp, open it up. Make sure you're behind the frame. Tighten the unit down. Double check your clamps. Repeat the same process on the other side. After installing your clamps in the front, unfold the unit. The key of your location of your clamp is making sure that it's centered in between your sink latch. Fold the unit down, find your location, make sure that your clamp is spread, slide it up and give the bottom one just a snug tightness, not over tight. Take your 5mm Allen, tighten your clamps. After tightening your screws, repeat the exact same process on the other side. After installing your clamps, you want to close your unit to make sure everything latches. If you notice this side did not latch, pinch your latch, open it up. And what's nice thing about LEER's clamps, they allow you to make your adjustments. Part of that reason is because when you close your tailgates at times, sometimes your tailgates could be off a little bit, or your bed rail caps could have maybe had another unit on it, and it actually puts impression in it. Or the situation is on our bulb seal is in the winter time, it could freeze, it could get cold, some ice build up. So we're making an adjustments into our clamps to be able to give you that fluctuation there a little bit. Take your center screw, tighten it, and we have it set up to where we can raise it down or up. So you can go down for more pressure or up if needed. In this situation, we need to slide it up just a little bit. By just making those slight adjustments to the clamps, you can see how well the unit closes now. I want to thank you for watching this video. This concludes our install on our LEER Latitude.